Hi everybody, this is Leila and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to apologize that I have been gone for so long. I have had so many different changes happen all at once in my life, and so I've really had to put a pause. Found a job, I've been going to work, and today I was in a hurry. I didn't even put foundation on or anything, so I know I've got a bit of an owie right here that I did not really cover up very well, and I didn't even put on my eyebrows, but you know, whatever. I just wanted to say, yeah, there's been a real break in my videos. Another thing too that's been happening is I've been having like these mysterious illnesses where I've just been in excruciating pain and in bed, and the doctors are still trying to figure out what's going on, and right now they're kind of at a loss, but I have a serious test coming up this next week as well. But yeah, it's been keeping me from going to work at times, and I've just been in bed for sometimes 2 or 3 days at a time or longer, just in an absolute agony. So because of that, I've been changing a lot of the ways I eat, and it's not that I've ever really eaten super unhealthy, but I have been taking some very drastic steps on how I eat, how do I say this? My mindset on what's going on in my mind when I choose the foods that I'm eating throughout the day. One thing that's really had to stick with me lately is let food be your medicine. And I've really had to do that to help to try to put a halt to all this intense pain and things that I'm experiencing. One of the things I have noticed with a change in my diet is my face is a lot clearer. I'm not wearing foundation. I know I have that mark on my nose, but besides that, my face is clear. And it hasn't been this clear in a very long time. So being able to get ready for work in the morning and not have to cover my face in some sort of foundation, even if it's the best foundation in the world, it's still covering your skin. So being able to go out the door with my skin really breathing feels amazing. Besides that, okay, let's go on to hair, right? Because my channel, most of it's about hair. Let's see. This is it right now. I had it in a braid earlier. It was wet when I was at work. I cut 1.5 inches off of it last night just to help keep it healthy. The ends were looking crazy. So right now it appears to be like just at rib level. However, that's just because it's wavy, so there's, you know, it's longer when you pull it. So it's actually right there. So it's actually to my, like, what is it? Like my upper hip. So my hair is definitely getting longer. Oh, and I've been trying new hair products too, different things. There's some controversy about actually one of the products I've been trying, and I'll do a different video about that as well. But I've been trying a new set of hair products just to see how my hair responds to them. Is my hair getting nourished? Is it getting hydrated? Is it getting moisturized? And I didn't know until recently that your hair getting moisturized and hydrated are two completely different things. And you have to do those things in a specific order for them to work. Otherwise, you might be sealing in dryness into your hair without realizing it, even if you're not using heat. And I had no clue. But anyway, that will all be coming up in my channel. So thank you all for your patience with me. I love you all, and thank you so much just for your support, for watching my channel, and I will see you in another upcoming video soon. I do have more on Diary of a Wavy Girl. I've actually pre-filmed them. I just haven't had a chance to edit them, but I'll see what I can do for you real soon, okay? Be blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.